Today we're getting into rebuilding this track bar for a TJ, and it had Moog poly bushings in it, and it's got a rod end on this end, which I'm going to cut off because heim joints don't deserve to be on track bars.
So why is it every night you have a side project?
I promise people things, and I like to keep my promises.
And you're a man of keeping your promises?
Try to be.
Nice.
Hard. It's been busy lately. It's hard to actually get everybody done in the time that you tell them to get it done in. But I still make it happen, because if you don't, that's your name. That's why we don't advertise. We don't have to. We haven't had time to come. We're doing a big shop clean out here soon.
No.
No?
We'll run her dirty until we cement the floor. Air hammer?
No, I'm going to be Mr. Friendly.
Mr. Edgar Friendly.
Oh, Mr. Friendly? Yeah, he'll still work. Barely.
In this case, he will not work.
Maybe you want to pipe this on?
I can do that, yeah. I just don't want to break it on him.
Okay. Part of the job. Pipe.
Ooh, look at that. It's like cement.
Alright, so you're going down. I'm going down, right?
Yeah. Like scenario easy, right? Oh,
Yeah, buddy. There. It'll loosen the jam nut anyway, right? If they have to adjust this.
We're going up, right? On this side?
I'm going up on that side, yeah. There we go. Leverage. Leverage and beating power, Sean. That's moving. It's all you, buddy. We've taken the measurement of the diameter of the pipe to make sure that when we cut this end off, that our hole distances are going to be the same distance apart. So this bolt should land exactly where it did before. That's where we're at now. We're going to cut this off. We're going to machine a piece, weld it on, and then we'll get into machining our bushings. So, here we go. So what ends up happening is this brass bushing beats itself out, and there's no way to tighten it. They just end up beating themselves out really bad, and yeah, it's not really a great design, especially for a track bar that just works back and forth on that all day long. That's what its job is to do. So that's going to be our new bushing sleeve. We're going to weld that on the end, and then we're going to make some bushings. That's black dowelin. That's what I like to use for track bar bushings. It's not as soft as a polyurethane bushing, but it still won't. It's not so brittle that it will break. I think it's good till -40 before it'll actually crack. So it's a good compromise.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement.
Alright, we're just finishing pasting these off.
Changing, experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want.
There you have it. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, Buzzy.